This is my door. Oh my gosh, look right here. This is the door. This is the door. This is my door. That's crazy. Look at this. This is snow on the door. My screen. Oh, it's cold. Look at the wind. I can back up a little bit. Huh. I don't know when they're gonna dig these cars out. Mine is in the garage, safe and secure-ish. My old playscape. They said it what? Wind gust is what, 55 miles per hour? You know, just remember we're getting like some storm at Jamaica. That's what this remind me of. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Not to mention this one. This one is buried. I'm going back inside. I have a date with my bed. I just hope none of these break. The last time we had a storm, we lost power because our power line went down. And look, we did the snow, and it's back up there. We haven't touched right here, so yeah. The walkway, the step. This is, see if I can get it. This is the doorway. This is where the door stopped. This is all snow. And that's the door.